In this video, we will provide advice and tips for creating a successful screencast video and show you some of the tools available to help create these videos. A screencast is a video recording of your computer screen, including voiceover. Typically, they are used to demonstrate how to do a task or when a concept is better explained visually. These videos can be informal or polished depending on your audience and how much time you want to spend creating your video. Providing a video allows students flexibility. They can watch and rewatch at their own pace. Video can also explain the complex topics that may be difficult to understand with only written instructions. You can also address common questions students may have and add personalization. Before you begin your project, spend some time thinking about who is going to be your video's audience. Most likely it will be your students, and you may already have a good idea of their skill level. Consider how much you will need to include for your student to understand the information, and how much information is too much. Also consider how your student's skill level will evolve as they progress through your course. We highly recommend writing a script, or at least an outline, and even a storyboard if necessary for your video. This helps ensure that you include all the important points you need to make in clear and concise language without wasting time. This can eliminate the and we tend to include when we are talking on the fly. When you have written your script, read it out a few times before you begin recording. Sometimes what we write doesn't sound the same when we say it out loud. Make sure to enunciate and speak a little slower than you normally would. A prepared script also makes it easier when it comes time to create captions. Most screencasting software allows you to record your entire screen or just a portion. If you need to record your whole screen, it's a good idea to tidy up your desktop. Tone down any distracting or personal items like wallpaper images and files that might be showing. Also, turn off notifications. Make sure you have the necessary equipment. Audio makes a huge difference in the quality of your screencast recording. We advise not using the microphone built into your computer, but using an external microphone instead. Even recording audio with your phone can improve the quality. Mic placement is also important. Make sure it's located where it can pick up your voice easily. And make sure to test first. A webcam is necessary if you intend to appear on screen. And again, you can use your phone's camera for better quality. Connecting your phone to your computer as a video source is an easy way to get better audio and video quality. Camera placement is also important. Make sure to position the camera where you look good. Pay attention to what is behind you and try to make eye contact with the camera. If you are creating a screencast to show how to do something on your screen with your mouse, try not to move the cursor around more than is necessary. Move your cursor deliberately and with purpose. If you move your cursor too fast, your audience won't know where to look and may struggle to follow along. Please note you may need to adjust permission settings for software to use your camera, microphone, and other devices. OBS, Clipchamp, Adobe Premiere Pro, ScreenPal, and Camtasia are just some of the software tools that can be used to record and edit screencasting videos. Open Broadcast Software is a free program used to create engaging multimedia content, including presentations and lectures. With OBS, you can capture, record, or live stream audio and video from a variety of sources, including your computer screen, internal webcam and mic, and other external devices at the same time. Clipchamp is a free user-friendly online editor that lets you add text, titles, and music to your screencast recording. It's ideal for quick edits without needing additional software downloads. Adobe Premiere Pro provides a professional toolkit for editing your screencasts with advanced features and effects, allowing for maximum creative freedom and is free through UCF. ScreenPal is a convenient browser extension that lets you record directly from your Chrome browser with a few clicks, making it a great choice for simple screen captures without needing extra software. Camtasia offers a comprehensive solution for recording and editing your screencast with built-in templates and editing tools to create polished videos, but requires a one-time purchase fee. There are many tips and tools when it comes to creating an effective screencast video. You may need to experiment to see which tool works best for you. Once your video is completed, you must include adequate captioning to be accessible to all students. If you would like more assistance with screencasting videos, captioning, or other multimedia tools, you can visit the Faculty Multimedia Center on campus or online at cdl.ucf.edu/FMC.